First one is a circle. Let's talk about it. What is a circle? Circle is a round shape with no corners or edges. Here are some examples of circle in our daily life. A clock, yes. A wall clock is a circle shape. Second one is a ball. Yes, a ball is also a circle shape. Last one is a sun. Yes, a sun is also a circle shape. Second one is a rectangle. Let's talk about it. What is rectangle? A shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. Opposite sides are equal. Here are some examples of rectangles in our daily life. First one is a door. Yes, a home door is rectangle shape. Second one is a TV screen. Yes, a TV screen is rectangle shape. Third one is a mobile phone. Yes, a mobile phone is also rectangle shape. Third one is a triangle. Let's talk about it. What is a triangle? A shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. Here are some examples of triangle in our daily life. First one is a Christmas tree. Yes, a Christmas tree is a triangle shape. Second is a party hat. Yes, a birthday party hat is a triangle shape. Third one is a traffic cone. Yes, a traffic cone is also a triangle shape. Let's talk about fourth shape. It is square shape. What is square? Let's talk a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 corners, called square shape. Here are some examples of square in daily life. First one is a chessboard. Yes, a chessboard is square shape. Second one is a dice. Yes, a dice is also a square shape. Last one is a carom board. Yes, a carom board is also a square shape. It's your turn. Can you share some other shapes that can be found in our daily life?